I bought this beautiful handbag for my daughter, and I just had to share the story behind it. It was handmade by Liz, the owner and creator of Coralie Creativity, and every piece she makes is full of color, care, and creativity. I met her at the Dominica World Creole Music Festival, and let me tell you, her stall was a feast for the eyes. Handbags in every color you can imagine, for adults, for children, each one unique. She also had hats, so many beautiful styles for both adults and kids. There were so many options. I honestly didn't know which one to choose. But this one spoke to me. Bright, joyful, and made with love. Just perfect for my daughter. This is why I love supporting local creators. Every piece tells a story, and this one came home with us.